hope you have a nice day. So if not, try to make an effort to make it great. Today we will talk about that how to install Mozilla Firefox from Microsoft Store. So my friend, there are a lot of ways you can download it from Google's and so on else. But my friend, if it is available in Microsoft Store, so why not we install from Microsoft Store? So yes, so without any further ado, let's get started. Let's jump onto the Microsoft Store. From here, go to search bar and search here or type here that Firefox. Search here or type here Firefox. Hit the enter, and there is first is Mozilla Firefox. As you can see here, my friend, it is Mozilla Firefox on. Click on that. And one more thing is that, my friend, it is 110% free. Yes, I'm actually called asking you true. And from here, my friend, on the top side, here is a button install. You can install it. And my friend, it is 110% free. Yes, you can install it free. And you can install on your PC or laptops. So, but my friend, here is a thing that I want to tell you. My friend, it is good that you can download from Microsoft Store, but my friend, Mozilla Firefox, I will not recommend you to use Mozilla Firefox browser. Now why? My friend, you will ask me that why I not recommend you to use Mozilla Firefox. So my friend, there is a reason behind of that is, my friend, it is too much slow. It lags when we start it. It takes too much time to start, and that's why, my friend, I will recommend you that you should download Google Chrome and use that browser. Now, how? So let me show you. Simply go to Google and search here Google Chrome. And from here, simply click on the first official website of Google. Download Google Chrome. You can also download now and simply click on the download Chrome button. Yes, my friend. As you know, I have downloaded it already, but when you download Chrome, it will simply start downloading, and you will see the on bottom side notification. And when it completes, it is basically a setup, and it will download like this. You can see here Chrome setup. And my friend, it is an online setup. When you want to install, you will click on it and it will install online, and in a few minutes or seconds, and in a few times it will install. And you can see that it will install like this, and it will show an interface. It will show the app, and that's it. So that is the basically difference that, my friend, I want to show you between the Firefox and Google Chrome. It is your own choice, my friend, that what should you download. If you want, you can download also Mozilla Firefox, and if you wish and if you like, so you will download Google Chrome. So that is your choice, but I will recommend you, in my opinion, Google Chrome is best. I will recommend you Google Chrome. So that's all for today. Hope this helps you, and if it did, don't forget to like and make sure to subscribe, and not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other future tips, tricks or tutorials made in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.